it's Gina with WTI, and if you want to be the envy of all the neighbors on the block with the most gorgeous mailbox you have ever laid eyes on, then you are going to love this locking box that I got from Adoorn. Not only is a sleek, modern design totally aesthetically pleasing and eye-catching, but this is anti-theft and it can fit between 7 to 14 days worth of mail. This is so nice because probably like me, you order through the mail a lot. And this guarantees that when the packages are inside this box, no one is going to be able to be a porch pirate. I got this beautiful bright yellow box, but there's lots of other colors to choose from. This was easy to assemble. Now, if you get the matching post from Adoorn, you're going to use the hardware that comes with that post to put it all together. And there's clear and easy to follow instructions that come with it. I found that I was able to put this together quickly by myself, and my husband helped me cement the post into the ground. If you're using your own post, you can use the hardware that actually comes with the mailbox, but I would suggest getting the whole thing because aesthetically they just all go together. I also got the numbers from Adoorn. Now, Amazon won't let me show them to you, but they look so stunning on the mailbox. I would absolutely recommend that you get the numbers to go along with this whole set. When I first got it, I wasn't sure how I would place mail in it to be picked up, but thankfully there's a little metal arm. You can just slip your mail under that and then pull up the beautiful bright red flag. This mailbox is waterproof, it can hold a ton of mail, and if this is too big for you, don't worry, Adoorn has other sizes to choose from, as well as those beautiful colors. I can't recommend them enough, and that's my point of view.